Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD CAD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my yesterday's video on Euro USD, then hopefully you are in a good profit right now. And if you have not taken any trade, then my dear friends, you need to watch the video carefully because you need to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD, and mostly you need to understand the chart of US dollar because it has a direct correlation with the Euro USD. So first and foremost, I would like to discuss about the chart of DXY US dollar here. As you can see that US dollar was in downtrend for quite some time, and as we all know, whenever dollar goes up, euro goes down, and whenever dollar goes down, euro goes up. So USD was weak, USD was under selling pressure, and as a result, euro USD was in uptrend. You can see the correlation right now. There was some heavy selling pressure on dollar chart. This is the chart of DXY, but you can see that right now US dollar has reached the support here. This is a support zone of the US dollar, and if you observe the chart carefully, then you can see that it has reached the support zone. So previously it was a pure downtrend market, it was under the influence of sellers, there was no doubt, but right now it has reached the support. So right now we cannot be too sure that the selling pressure will be there in the market will be falling, because it has reached the support and there is a possibility that market may try to reverse or market may try to recover, because you can see that yesterday on Monday market did recover. Again market faced some selling pressure, but still market is trying to take a support at the support here on the US dollar. And previously also we can see that when there was some heavy selling on the US dollar, this was the level that provided support to the market. So there is a possibility that market will try to recover, US dollar will try to recover from this place. So if US dollar goes up from here, then Euro USD will be going down. Clear? So now let's get back to the chart of Euro USD. So you can see that many lines I have drawn here on the chart. So if you have already taken a buy position, be on the trade. Until and unless there is a trend reversal on the market, your target will be this 1.1900. This will be your first target until and unless there is a trend reversal. But in case there is a sudden buying pressure on the chart of USD, US dollar DXY, then there will be a red candle here. So in case there is a red candle here, do not go for buy and do not go for sell also, because you can see that Euro USD is an uptrend right now, and we are not also sure about the trend of the US dollar, because US dollar will try to recover. That doesn't mean that there is a trend reversal on US dollar. Therefore, if you short the market or if you short Euro USD, then it will be risky. Do not take any risk. Okay, in case there is a red candle, do not initiate a buy position at least, because Euro USD is still in uptrend, and as we all know, the basic rule of the market, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. So if you want to follow the trend, you'll have to look for buying opportunities only. So in case there is a breakdown or market breaks the support level, don't do anything, just wait for the market to come down and take support at this level. So your next support level on Euro USD chart is 1.1800. This is the next level that will be acting as a next support for the market. So in case there is a sudden selling pressure on Euro USD because of the buying on dollar, you will get a buy position at 1.1800, and you can initiate a buy if market reverses or bounces from the 1.1800 level. So 1.1800 is an important level for Euro USD. And as the market is an uptrend, therefore do not think about shorting the market. It will be a very risky trade. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 69% retail traders have taken short position and 30% retail traders have taken long position. So as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders always lose money. So they mainly lose money because they fail to understand the psychology of the market, and they fail to follow the trend of the market. Okay, so do not make any mistake. Trade wisely and trade with proper analysis. Do not initiate any buy position right now. If you want to initiate a buy position, that will be risky. Okay, we observe the market well, and because if you buy here, then immediately there is a take profit target at this level, so your risk to reward is not in your favor right now. So do not initiate any buy position. In case there is a selling or market crosses the level, don't do anything. Wait for the next trading opportunity or buying opportunity at this level. If market bounces from here, you can easily go for buy. On the other hand, if the selling pressure on the US dollar continues, if US dollar, listen to me carefully, if US dollar fails to take support here, and if it breaks the support, then definitely there will be a big red candle here, and there will be a big fat green candle on Euro USD. So in case there is a breakout at on Euro USD chart, then what you need to do is do not buy right away. At least wait for a couple of hours and just see how the price is doing above this level. So only buy above this level if market starts trading comfortably above 1.1900 level for at least 2 hours, 3 hours. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is trading comfortably above this level, then only you should go for buy, because you'll get the confirmation that the resistance has become support. Okay, and keep your one eye on the chart of DXY as well, because you know it very well that DXY is very important. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested, then just go through the information here. You'll find all the information. So that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye. And trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. Do not take any impulsive trade. Bye bye.